Autumn, a season of deep charm and timeless warmth, and the inspiration behind our latest collection from Royi Sal. The Royi Sal Fall Dark Autumn collection embodies the beauty of the season, blending nature's essence with exquisite craftsmanship. Each piece is meticulously crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring the highest quality for your business. Elegance you can feel. Designs that connect the soul of the season with your unique identity. With over 20 years of experience, Royi Sal is a globally trusted jewelry manufacturer. We offer end-to-end OEM and ODM solutions, from concept to production, bringing your designs to life with perfection. Discover the Fall-Autumn collection today and let Royi Sal be your trusted jewelry partner.
Royi Sal Jewelry Designer and Manufacturer.